Those are just our Rhodes Anytime Cinnamon Rolls. Now I'm coming in with my heavy whipping cream, and I'm gonna put just a dab onto each one and some down here into our grease 13 by 9. Now I'm coming in with some real maple syrup, and I'm gonna be adding just a bunch of this. We are making a super treat, super delicious treat, y'all, and it's gonna be very fall forward, fall flavored. Y'all are gonna see how I'm gonna make this even more fall than it already is. I'm gonna add in some more brown sugar because I want these to really sweeten up, puff up with all that delicious heavy whipping cream. And we're adding cinnamon, 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 and brown sugar, well, maple syrup to really bring this home. And then I will show you what these little cinnamon rolls are going to become. All right, I'm gonna add on my cinnamon. Just putting a shake of the cinnamon right over the top of everything in here. Perfect. Now with these Anytime Rhodes, I'm just gonna put these in my oven at 350 for 30 to 40 minutes. Alrighty, y'all. Look at our beautiful cinnamon rolls. Don't they look fantastic? Now I'm coming in with our fully cooked bacon. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna actually fold my little bacons in half, and then I'm gonna stick this down into just this little seam in our cinnamon roll. And you could use a maple bacon here if you like. Whatever kind of like suits your fancy. But just like this, so easy, we're gonna just stick them in. It would have been great if these were a little crispier, but I just grabbed the fully cooked already bacon for today. But to do these at home, if you use the crispy bacon, you make your bacon at home, make it super crispy and have them sticking straight up, that would be a cool effect too. Now I'm gonna be using my classic candied corn, and I'm gonna come in here and I'm just gonna put one candy corn onto each of these. Some of them are gonna be in slightly different places, but they're all gonna look good. Of course, you can wait if you wanna put these onto a fancy plate to put your candy corns. Now I've got some freeze-dried strawberries, or you can use fresh if you prefer. And I'm gonna go ahead, I'm just kind of breaking these up a bit. I'm gonna place this down below my candy corn. You're gonna see what we're making here. It's gonna be so cute. Look at this. And now I've got my eyeballs left over from Halloween. I know y'all probably have some eyeballs at home, just like me. And I'm gonna go ahead and place my eyes right above there. Just like that. Isn't this so cute? All right, do you get it? Gobble, gobble, everybody. Happy Thanksgiving. You gotta try it.